look what we've got here. We have got the Limerick Joy breast pump. I have been wanting to try out this breast pump for such a long time because I just have an instinct that this is going to work for me. And if you want to find out more, just subscribe to my channel because I will be sharing a review of this breast pump as well. So we are going to be unboxing the Limerick Joy. It's quite a challenge to also get it from the US to the UK. So hence another reason why I'm super excited about this. So you can see there, this is all what's inside. So we're going to be going through that. Okay, so first of all, we have got our manual. Get started. So it's like 3 pages. It's a pretty quick read, which is nice. I've also got some leaflets here and info about the Joy to find out more information about it and so forth. Exciting. So that is there. We have also got another manual about breastfeeding. This is nice. It's definitely very valuable. I like that. Wow, this is really nice. So you get to find out lots of information as well. And you get to log in and track your baby's development. Lovely. Now, let's go through this. So firstly, the box is quite a big box, so I'm trying to fit it all in the camera. So firstly, we've got our pump. So if we just unwrap that. The Limerick Joy. Exciting. So you can see first off, it's all labeled, which is nice. And that's the back. It's got this cushiony things. This is the pump. Exciting. Okay. Let's see what else is in here. So we have got a little bag. To be in compliance, we are not sending any nipples and covers, any standard nipples, so I will work with the cap. Okay. All right, let's see what's in here. Oh, lovely. So we have got 3 ice packs, and it's reusable. So you can always freeze this, put this in here and use it to store your milk. And this is a little cooler bag for storing your milk. Fantastic. That's very valuable because that is definitely a big part of your pumping journey, especially if you're going to be pumping outside of your home, whether at work or in the car or on a trip or wherever you need somewhere to store your milk. So here we go. That's the milk storage bag right there. What else have we got? All right, what's in here? Oh, lovely. So we've got a bottle with a storage cap. It looks like we've got 2. So we've got 2 bottles there with their storage cap. Amazing. Okay. This, I believe, is the bottle holders. So that's nice. What else have we got? Got a lot of things in here. This is like a Christmas package or something. This is so nice. So many goodies. Okay, so we've got our battery charger. So you can see there that it's got the US plug. So if you're going to use this in the UK, which is what I'm going to do, I'm going to need an adapter for that, which I thankfully do have. So that's nice. And then what else? We've got another bag. This is so nice. They really want to make sure that you don't need to buy any additional things. That you have everything you could need on your breastfeeding journey. This looks like a backpack or something. Okay, let's see. Oh, wow. Wow, this is nice. So this is actually, I shouldn't have undone that. So we are supposed to lock that in there. So we actually have a backpack. So this is what you strap around your shoulders. And this is the front. And it's got this little strap. And it's got an inner compartment as well. Cool. I like this. I really like this. So in here, you can actually fit your breast pump and all of your accessories. So this is definitely a travel bag for traveling with your breast pump. So again, you don't need to think about purchasing anything else with this. Fantastic. I love that. Okay, so what else have we got? Okay, so we have our comfort kit. Okay, so here we go. Oh, nice. It's got a quick getting started guide at the top there. Very helpful. And here we go. This is the technology that makes the Limerick Joy the Limerick Joy. Well, one of it. So here is our unique breast shield. Here we go. Exciting. And there's a little plastic cap here over the bottle cap. I guess that's just to protect it. And this is it. So there's that. We've got two. So we've got the other one. Okay, let's take that out. Put that here. Okay, what else have we got? So we have got, this is a little mesh bag. I guess this is for putting your bottles and potentially tubing if you maybe want to do the fridge hack or something like that. All right. So quite a big bag. It's a decent size, can definitely fit all the bottles and accessories in there. This is so nice. This is so thoughtful. I like this for sure. Let's put that in there. What else have we got? There's so many things, it's like endless. Okay, so we have got the micron filter. So we've got one and we've got another one. So this is an extra. Very nice. So we'll put that there. So that is all plugged in to the tubing, as you can see. So we've got the tubing. What else have we got? Oh, we've got a clamp. And we have also got another set of bottles. We've got 2 more bottles. So we have got extras here, which is fantastic. And then finally, we have got a nice cleaning brush. All right, let's see what that looks like. Okay, this is interesting. It's definitely different from any other cleaning brushes I've seen. It's got the cute little logo there. It says Limerick. So you know the brush that you're using. Okay, so I guess this is to get into all the little nitty gritty parts of the bottle and the brush shield and so forth. So that's amazing. And with that, we have finally come to the end of the unboxing. There were so many things. My goodness. So if I take this and put this to one side, all of this is what we've got. We've got our manual there at the end. So this is all that comes with the Limerick Joy package, and I absolutely love it. Thank you for watching, and let me know what was your favorite feature about the unboxing of this, or what did you like most about what was included. All right, thank you very much. See you in my next video.